YouTube family, hello. So I'm out here in the little makeshift lab I got going on. Recently put it together, and I got to experiment. This is going to be my first experiment out here, and it's the vinegar. So we're going to try to do vinegar. So I've been seeing videos, right, of people just making vinegar. And so I have these persimmons from right out in the yard, right? And I have a jar. I heard that if you just take these, put a coffee filter and the cap on it with some filtered water, then you can make vinegar. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these persimmons. These have been sitting in the refrigerator. They're still actually pretty good. Well, some of them are still in pretty good shape, but I'm going to drop. That one's not in good shape, but boom, boom. So we're going to drop all these persimmons in here. All right. Drop all of those in there. Take some of these here, drop those in there. And guess what? Filtered water. Boom, right there. Right there to the curb, right? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wipe that off. Boom. And what I found out is these things just are perfect for this. Those coffee filters are perfect for that. So boom. And from my understanding, you know, after a while, that's vinegar. Let's look at it again. Good look. My understanding, after a while, that's vinegar. And we're going to see in the other experiment I have going on, it's without the water. I got up this morning and I picked these, some off the ground, maybe a couple off the tree. These things are dropping left and right. I have a yard full of them. Like that tree was loaded. That tree was loaded. And so that's without the water. That's with the water. And I'm pretty sure I will be doing several more. I think I'm gonna be doing several more. I have a whole case of these jars, and I'm about to get, I don't know how many cases of these jars. But we're gonna be doing vinegar. I'm gonna be trying different types of vinegar. But right now, this is my first vinegar experiment out in the new lab, the new grow lab. And so these are grow lights, and yes, I'm trying to grow. And yes, we will be doing the hashtag WIG 2023. And that'll be probably coming up pretty soon when I get a video for that. But thank you, YouTube family, for watching.